What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? So today, I'm finally gonna bite the bullet. I would like to have, I can see my breath. It's that cold today. Anyways, I'm gonna pick up Miguel, go to Best Buy, grab a drone, and hopefully get some drone shots before the sun goes down by the water. If the drone will even fly over there. We're super surrounded by military bases, so sometimes you can't get the drone off the ground because of the certain areas you're in. I've never messed with one before. So you guys are gonna join me on my first flight, hopefully before sunset. It's 4:38 right now. I'm gonna let the car warm up a little bit, and then off to pick up Miguel and go to Best Buy. So stay tuned. All right, well, we just made it to Miguel's house, and of course he's not ready. So hopefully the sun will still be up by the time we get out of Best Buy. He's gonna take his sweet ass time. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 27 degrees in his room. Come on. So anyway, I was getting ready to say, who hates it when someone tells you to come pick them up and then they're never ready? Because I do.
Just don't want to hold it like this the whole time.
I'm talking for 10 seconds and then fucking, it's already recording. Okay. Oh. Jesus Christ. Anyway,
okay.
So we got Miguel, now we're on the way to Best Buy. So the plan for tonight is we're gonna grab the drone and get to the Lions Bridge or down there by Hilton and get some drone footage before the sun sets. So that's the goal. I doubt we're gonna make it, but we shall see.
Damn, I didn't know that was the plan.
That's the plan, yeah, you're stuck now.
Okay, great.
All right, one thing I've always done that I personally always have chose to do, I always park beside a car guy because they respect your shit and they won't door ding your shit, typically.
That's very true.
Typically. All right, so we made it to Best Buy. I'm here returning this shit ass game to get some money for the drone. Wasn't a bad game, but you can't do wheelies, can't do stunts, but if you like it, well, that's cool, but for 20 bucks, I could've got something other. I could've got something else. Which one are we going to get? Yeah, you already know what I'm getting. Right here. Okay, now I gotta find a plug to open this up for it. This is what I want. Okay. That. Oh, look. Miguel, how's hashtag or money sign GP doing right now?
Ooh, that's so true.
Or G Pro, how's it doing?
I don't know. What's $6 a share mean to you?
Oh yeah, for those of you who don't know Miguel, here's his hashtag, or here's his Instagram handle right here. Yeah, and if you need money making tips, if you want to work from home and make millions,
oh my god, is that DJ Miggs?
Yeah. Did you get that for me? The lady said there was one left.
There's one left?
Yeah. I didn't see, I saw like the Mavic Pro under there, but I didn't see that. That's Alright, so Miguel, did we tell them where we're going yet?
I thought you already told them.
I said Southeast Asia. I haven't said where we're going in Southeast Asia.
Ah.
Did we tell them yet, or we wait till we get the drone in the air?
Nah, we can tell them later.
Okay. Look at the VR. You can VR fly a dildo into your girl's butt right here. Yeah. Think about like attach a dildo to a drone. And just. All right, this has gone too far. Yeah. All right. Well, the sun is up and over. Miguel and I are leaving Best Buy. Apparently, you can't return software after it's been opened. Okay, I get that. But last time I was here, I was able to. So I guess we'll have to figure out how to get this game back. We're going wide body.
Oh yeah, fresh as
Wide body. No, it's a, yeah.
It's a wide body Camry, baby.
Alright, well, leave it to me to want to do something this late in the evening, knowing that the sun goes down early.
You probably woke up like an hour ago, let's be real.
Sorry I wasn't trading stocks this morning.
No.
Obviously, there's nothing I can show you guys. Miguel and I are going to go home now and assemble it, get it ready, and do like a little, I guess, test flight in the front yard, because I don't want to lose the brand new thing we got in the water tonight. At least if it's during the day I can find it and grab it. So we're gonna head home real quick, assemble it, maybe try and get the air in the front yard, and then tomorrow morning I'm off. I'm gonna go get some drone footage. But if you made it this far, tell me what your favorite drone is in the comments below. Oh, zoom in. I can't zoom in.
Wait,
my man's license plate says trifling. Oh my god.
I haven't heard that song in such a long time. Fuck yeah, she's trifling ass bitch.
Alright, so we're back. Now it's time to unbox it. Oh, this bag is dope. Dude, this thing's sick. This is sick. Mavic Pro. We just got back from Best Buy. Y'all are lazy and skipped ahead to this point. Oh shit, you can still see it. Alright, what in the hell? What's that?
I have no idea. Battery charger maybe?
Alright. Straps. You gotta stay strapped out here.
Why don't you just stay where you're better? You know, putting dishes away.
Damn!
What? Is she talking to me?
Yeah, she's
Yeah,
playing
I'm
with you.
talking to you.
Did you grab the flap?
Alright. Oh, I was like, what?
Yes. That's sick. So obviously we're back at the house, and I'm glad I'm gonna wait till tomorrow, because there's no way in hell we would have got this out of the box and in the air before lights out. Thank you, Miguel. All right, so we got the two props, two wings, to whatever the hobbyist term is. We got some wangs on a drone. We got the controller set up with the USB-C connection. That was an absolute pain in the dick, if anyone's ever tried to do that. We got the phone downloading the DJI app. It's got about, I don't know, a while if it'll focus.
3 days.
Yeah, oh, that's cool. 3 days of charge. We got a cool little knapsack though, for storage.
Very European, like side saddle.
No, it's like it's very satchel-esque. We're here as well. Not sure if that means it's charging or if it's not, but it has this like really cool 4 crossfire thing. Ooh. Oh, you're getting the satchel set up.
Oh yeah, duh. I gotta transport my Colombian Bam Bam somehow.
I haven't heard that in so long. What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing today? Okay, so if you guys skipped ahead and you're at this point right now, we got the drone yesterday. We got home too late, or I got it set up too late. I finally figured it out. I got everything calibrated. I had one little small test flight in the backyard to make sure it worked. Now I'm gonna head over to Lions Bridge and get some sick ass footage of the GTR and some of what makes Newport News iconic. So hopefully the drone will take off. Hopefully I can give you guys some decent footage, but stay tuned. So we just made it to Lions Bridge. I didn't think there would be many people out here today. It's like 37 degrees, so hopefully we can get some good footage and hopefully the drone will fly. Alright, so we made it to the spot I wanted to be at, but obviously it's no parking. So I'm gonna try and get this footage as quick as I can and get out of here. Oh man. Well, first of all, it's insane. Like, I'm really bad at flying it, obviously getting like left-hand dominant controls. I feel like I want my left hand to be like my forward and my back, and my right hand to be like my height, but it's opposite. So I gotta get used to that. It was really easy to fly. If anybody is interested in checking it out in person, hit me up on YouTube, hit me up on Facebook. But yeah, it's awesome. Nothing more I can say about it. I gotta dial in all the features like stability, angle, but this is just, like I said, a first flight. Get the GTR, get some of the scenic stuff. I didn't want to take it too far out because I didn't want to lose it. I'm not familiar with how far it can and cannot go. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna insert the clips of the drone right here. I hope you guys enjoy them, and see you guys in the next video.
Butterflies in my dreams, never felt I was so radiant and free. Lately I've been seeing you in my sleep, Oh no, you never once thought about me. I think I found an accidentally on purpose left somewhere. And the way you play the guitar, maybe in the way you swear. You are as messy as love is, and you're just so old school. I can feel the vintage love every time I think the world of you. Let me fall in love like everybody else. Let me fall in love like everybody else. Let me fall in love like everybody else. You don't have to love me back. Somewhere in this hall of music, I can fit you in between my piano keys. Into the 80s just to you and me, unheard like poetry's and Morrissey. I think I found an accidentally on purpose love somewhere. In the way you play the guitar, maybe in the way you swear. You are as messy as love is, and you're just so old school. I can feel the vintage love every time I think the world of you. My hopes are hopeless, but this time I hope it's you. My hopes are hopeless, but this time I hope it's you. My hopes are hopeless, but this time I hope it's you.
And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And until next time,
This time I hope it's you.